Magandang umaga po muli sa lahat.
Magandang umaga, Father.
We hear how God has brought us to the world, but we do not truly belong to the world. We are just temporary pilgrims. Lahat tayo migrante. Ang tunay na bayan natin sa langit. Dumadaan lang tayo sa lupang ibabaw, pangsamantala. And the devil tricks us, to make this permanent, to make us enjoy what the world has to offer. At nakakalimutan natin na temporary lang tayo dito kasi niloloko tayo ng demonyo. But he says, I will not take you out of the world, but I will protect you. He will always be with us. No matter what, He will give us that protection. But let us again be reminded that sandali lang tayo dito, dumadaan lang tayo. Huwag tayo magpaloko. Huwag tayo. Katulad ng ating santo ngayon, si San Isidro Labrador, Saint Isidore the Farmer. How, together with the wife, namatay yung kanilang anak na batang-bata, pero sila'y nabuhay mag-asawa, si Maria Cabeza. Patuloy sila nabuhay ng maayos na maayos. Nagsisimba sila araw-araw, at mahabang panahon ang ginagawa nila ng panalangin sa simbahan. Pero isang araw nakita sila nung kanilang amo, nung landlord, nakita ba, simba ng simba to, hindi na nagtatrabaho. Pero pagbalik nung may-ari ng lupa, nakita niya may mga anghel nag-aararo para sa mag-asawa. We're doing the farming chores. Kaya sabi niya, wow. So do not worry. The work of God will continue. We have to prioritize what is of the world and what is of heavenly realm. At wag natin ibuhos lahat para sa mga makalupang mga bagay. Let us set our priorities, our values straight, and then God will take care of the rest. Remember, we are just pilgrims. Let us not get too caught up to what the world has to offer, to the pleasures of this world. It will eat us up, and we might forget. Thank you for this reminder. Thank you for our saint today, Saint Isidore the Farmer. Salamat sa Diyos.